Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video on the LG washer versus the Samsung washer. Watch until the end to know our verdict on which one is better. So the main difference between the LG WM1455HWA and the Samsung WF50A8800AV washers is in the machine's quantity per wash. The LG has a 5.2 cubic foot drum capacity, while the Samsung has a 4.5 cubic drum capacity. Therefore, the LG is the larger of the two, making it the better choice for individuals or families who frequently wash large loads of clothes. The bigger capacity allows more clothes to be washed in a single cycle, saving time and effort. In contrast, the Samsung may have powerful cleaning capabilities, but its smaller drum size may not be suitable for larger loads. Capacity. When it comes to washing clothes, we all want a washing machine that can handle all of our dirty laundry in one go. The LG has a large 5.2 cubic feet drum that can easily fit a king-size comforter, while the Samsung has a slightly smaller 4.5 cubic feet drum. So, if you need to wash big loads, the LG might be the better option for you. Efficiency. The LG and Samsung are ENERGY STAR certified, meaning they are energy efficient. But the LG has a few extra features that make it stand out. It has a turbo wash feature that can clean your clothes in 30 minutes. The Samsung, despite also having a quick wash cycle, takes slightly longer than the turbo wash. So if you're looking for a washer that can clean your clothes in a jiffy, the LG might be the better choice. Similarities. The LG and the Samsung are top-loading washing machines that offer a traditional and convenient way of loading and unloading clothes. Additionally, both machines have a large control panel display that shows the time remaining, options selected, and other important information. Furthermore, both machines come with various wash options, including delicate, heavy-duty, and normal cycles. Additionally, both machines have a delay start feature, allowing you to set the washing machine to start later on. Verdict. So, which washer is better? The LG is better than the Samsung in this case because it has a larger capacity and more versatile wash options that will clean your clothes in no time. The Samsung has various features and stylish designs as well, but due to its slightly smaller nature, the LG carries the day. Thanks for watching.